baby. Look at you holding your head up. Hey? Look at you. You're not even 3 weeks old yet and you're holding your head up like that. Hey? Gonna do it again? Do it again? Hey? Baby girl. Hi.
Because talking is not harmful, it's hidden that's harmful. But the way you speak to each other becomes harmful. Let me tell you, I'm here with nobody on camera ever again.
You gonna hold your head up again? Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Look at you, you're so strong. Yes, you are. Whoa! Look at you, you're so strong. Hey? You're a strong baby. Yes, and you're only 2 weeks old and you lift your head up like that. Hey? Whoa! Look at you. You're so strong. Oh my goodness. Look at you. You're so strong, my baby. Say hi to the camera. Say hello. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.